Asus, a tech giant which is very well known in the world as the producer of one of the best motherboards for PCs. This Taiwanese tech giant who not only just produce the world's best computer hardwares, but also one of the world's finest PCs and laptops and mobiles, like Asus Rog gaming PC to Asus Zenfone smartphone series, to name a few. And now Asus, who is making a buzz in the gaming department for the past some time, since the release of their Asus Rog laptop, which is not just amazing but said to be equal to that of Dell's Alienware or MSI's gaming rigs. And now Asus created another beauty, the Asus Rog gaming smartphone. Hey there everyone, I'm Himanshu Mehra and you are watching Technomania. Before starting this video, I would like to thank Mr. Eric Williams for providing the information of this phone to me. Without him, this video wasn't made. If you want to know more about Mr. Eric, then just visit his channel. He lives in Taipei, China, where he makes amazing family vlogs. So don't forget to check out his channel. Link is in the description below. This new smartphone is not just an ordinary gaming phone. It is actually a blend of both hardware and software craftsmanship with an amazing touch from material body design. Starting with the specs of this device, Asus included a 6-inch Full HD AMOLED display, which is the best AMOLED display after Samsung Galaxies. But this also has a Corning Gorilla for that extra protection, a 2.96 GHz Snapdragon 845 latest chipset with 90 Hz refresh rate, so for all of those FPS freak, you get your FPS. And a massive 4000 mAh battery with fast charging support. So if you ever feel like that your battery is running low, then just plug your beast into the socket and then take a 10-minute walk and done. You are ready to dive into the asphalt world. Now the main point is, this phone has an 8GB RAM, so smoothness is guaranteed here. And it also comes with 512GB UFS 2.1 storage option to file that hungry big space-eating games. Now that is a lot about the hardware. Most of the people don't know that this beast is also a cute smartphone too. So for those of you who are picture and video enthusiasts, this phone has a rare dual camera with 12 megapixel and 8 megapixel with 120-degree wide view support and an 8 megapixel front for that crispy quality selfie. Now, since it is made for gaming, so not to make it overheat, Asus designed this amazing 3D vapor chamber cooling system at the back of the smartphone to cool the processor and not let it overheat while playing heavy games like PUBG or GTA. The price of this smartphone is quite not given yet, but it is expected to be around $800 to $1,000. So guys, what are your thoughts on this phone? Do you want to buy it for gaming, or would you prefer to have an PC rather than this smartphone for gaming? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and if you think that this video is worthwhile, then hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that I can able to bring amazing videos like this for you. Till then, see you later.